Йоу, здорово всем привет. Начинаем игру. Благоетел. 5 глава. Падаль. Подтвердить. Продолжить. Вчера на чем остановились? Мы же уплыли, да? Говорите, рассказывай Амицию, что в крови древнее зло, которое начинает пробуждаться перед смертью, старый алхимик, который своему. Надеюсь, вы дочитали. Что-то не понял. Короче, у младшего брата есть какое-то проклятие, походу. И мне кто-то говорил, что он будет управлять чем-то. Чем-то он будет управлять. Кем-то. Тенгу, здорово.
Lucas.
Здорово, Лукас.
Yes.
Да.
What does he have
А что у него в
in
крови?
his blood? There's an old story.
Это старая история.
It tells of the prima macula. The
Называется
alchemist said it was the first
Порчи.
corruption, and that it silently travels in the blood of certain families. But something happened. The great break, and the macula awoke in Hugo's blood.
But what will it do to him?
The macula cares for neither good nor evil. It evolves with its host. To change things. The world. You know, your mother and Laurentius were trying to help your brother.
But they failed.
No. I think they just ran out of time. This is it.
Микрофон канри. Микрофоном АКГ. Студийный. Экигей. АКГ. Где это?
Hugo, wake up. Come on, we'll walk from here. It'll warm you up.
If we follow the aqueduct, we should arrive at Chateau d'Ambrage before nightfall.
What's that noise?
Nothing. It's just frogs, Hugo.
Frogs?
He seems well.
Let's keep our fingers crossed.
Froggy.
Froggy. There are so many.
Aren't you cold?
They're
A
everywhere.
little.
Кустар
Yes.
көтілер.
Hugo doesn't seem to mind.
Jump.
He's keeping himself warm.
Yes,
Hey,
but he's
go
too
back.
far for my liking.
Удачного стрима. Махтал.
Hugo, where are you going? Hugo!
Алла. Не понял. Твои результаты.
Hey, look. I'm a knight.
An English shield. Where did you find that?
Over there, lying on the ground.
Listen, Hugo. Put that down. It's not for children.
Oh, you're no fun.
Come on, let's go.
Do you smell that?
Oh, it stinks.
Yes, it's horrible.
Жуткая вонь. Угу. И вправду. День. Барты күйін бола қатылы.
Amicia, Lucas, come quick. Look.
Смотри сюда. О, да. Гори
Oh
плакать.
my god.
Are they all dead?
We can't carry on.
Amicia, we have to follow the aqueduct.
Пройдите через поле.
Oh my goodness.
Amicia,
Ебать.
do we have to walk on them?
I know, Hugo. But we don't have a choice.
Do you think we are hurting them?
Just keep moving, Hugo. Come on.
Жестко видно. Давно она где? Сера. Сера, это хорошо.
Shouldn't be here.
Oh, the smell. It's unbearable.
I feel sick.
Don't look. Concentrate on the aqueduct.
О, бля, факелlar келdi. Явно, блин, крысалар как-то гаража.
The horse. Lucas?
I don't know.
О, крысалар атыгер балдар явно. Бля,
Oh no! The rats! Keep away from them!
Amicia, they're everywhere. Hundreds of them.
I don't believe it.
Все, погнали, погнали.
Now! Run!
Рон.
There are people over there.
Those aren't soldiers.
What were they doing?
Those were looters looking for things to steal.
But why?
To survive, probably. Like us.
Вот и факел. А нет. Что надо брать-то? Что надо сделать?
Could you help me with this?
All right. We can't hold it back for long.
Давай. Давай. Ага.
Hugo, you're going to have to go through.
But I can't. There are rats everywhere.
We have to clear our way through.
It's all right now. Go.
I can't, Amicia.
Эй, бля. А, я это должен зажечь, что ли?
Help me with this, will you?
Yes, of course.
Угу.
I need you to do this.
All right. I did it. I made it.
Good. Now come back.
There you go.
Ow, my arms.
Well done, you two.
Киш отсюда! Не подходи, я пошмат.
Into the grass quickly. He mustn't see us.
Amicia, his lantern.
I understand.
He's coming.
What's that? Oh, must have been nothing.
Чем я потушу его фонарь?
What? Huh? Oh no.
Oh Lord.
Ебать
It's
я
horrible.
дикий.
But worked. There are too many rats. We're stuck.
Так, и что мне делать? Здорово, братан, здорово. Хорошей игры, махтал.
Into the tower.
От
I can see
души.
light.
А. Ой, ой, ой. Не тот компот. Ну, хедшот. Вали. Так, давайте что там у них. Ой, ты в одну куда гирял. Так, апгрейд. Апгрейд, ничего нету. Угу. Понял? Наверх.
Come on, get up there.
Very well.
Лутаем везде. Угу.
Which way should we go?
Это
They're
да.
everywhere. Follow me.
All right.
Пригодится. Так, сначала... Ой-ой-ой. Я должен поджечь... О. Угу. Потом берем палки. Угу. Поджигаем. Размахиваемся.
We need to push.
Let me help.
But mind you don't get burned. We're making too much noise. They're going to spot us.
А!
Kids, who sent ya? Say hello.
Сайонара.
Help me push.
All right. The wheels are stuck in the mud.
We'll have to leave it here. Come on.
Почему это он здравствуйте?
What are you doing? Hold him still. This is proper horrible. Come on, I just want his teeth. Yeah, but still. What? Rats are gonna eat him anyway. Yeah, suppose you're right.
We need to pass below the aqueduct, Amicia. But the rats are everywhere.
Shh, he won't
We'll
budge.
find a way.
You want me to try?
Over there, a torch.
Leave him.
I might have a chance if I go alone.
Why don't you try a different one? They're all over the place.
I can't fucking stand these rodents. You've got nothing better to do than muck around with a corpse.
Бляха, их так не ходим.
Hey. Nothing. Oh well, probably for the best. it.
Не знаю.
Bugger all.
Какая?
Finally! All that for that? What are you gonna do with it now? Well, I'll have to think about that.
Он и есть тот. Арти, здорово. Здорово. Эти крысалары барытын бухаран-баран атыларакка сана компалаган бу. Явными.
What's that?
Оуза. Бля, кайык тахмыны. Что надо сделать? Идет туда. Прячься.
Where are you, you bastard? Those stinking French kids are shooting at us! Get 'em! Maybe they're left. Where the hell are they? There! Get over here, boys!
Ая! No! Так, нормально кораблин тохтилери.
We need to pass below the
Нужно
aqueduct, monsieur.
пойти
But the rats are everywhere. Shh. We'll find a way.
Over there, a torch.
I might have a chance if I go alone.
А,
Stay here.
Right. See you in a minute.
Can't fucking stand these rodents. You've got nothing better to do than muck around with a corpse.
Ah, finally! Christ. All that for that? What are you gonna do with it now? Well, I'll have to think about that.
The coast is clear.
I'm following you.
Хыш, хыш, хыш, хыш.
We're going to climb up.
All right. Not a sound.
Давай наверх. И... Свежее мясо. Налетаем. Свежее мясо.
They've got sticks in their dummies.
Don't look.
Try to ignore everything you see here. You,
Come on, inside. Quickly.
Amicia, there's someone over there.
Oh no.
О, ну. Валите нахуй.
Amicia, he's
Get
trapped.
me out of here! Hey!
We have to keep moving.
Oh, it's about time!
Oh no.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing? Stop!
I'm sorry. We have to get out.
Amicia!
Come on. This way. The torch.
We'll do without it, Amicia. There's a soldier. He's blocking the way.
I don't see any other way. Damn.
We don't have a choice. We have to take him by surprise. Here, take this.
What do you want me to do with this stuff?
Понимаешь?
You see, mix them together.
Окси.
Like this. Perfect. I'm going to crush it on his face. Are you
Ничего себе.
serious? Lucas. Well, I hope you know what you're doing. Wait here. And shh. Very well. Be careful.
А, как появится зашок. О. Фух.
Yes. For a while.
Thank you. This is going to save our lives.
Ненадолго. И чё? Как мне теперь? Ага, вижу. Надо поджечь. Фух! Шиш!
Another machine.
This one seems a bit different.
Когда появится отверстие?
Will that move?
I'll try.
I'm going to drop it. Look out! Stop, please.
Yes.
А,
Think you can do this?
это в этом
All
трудно
right.
так. И? А, кладут. Go away, go away. А, еще раз надо отпугнуть. Эх, барык.
I need you to do this.
Давай, давай. Resident Evil не контопчик. А когда регулярно там?
Go on,
Карамбара.
Hugo. That's it.
Кто его знает? Жестко бахки не удержат. Жестко будет жанларим. Fire in the hole. Быстрее, быстрее. Все, палка уже догорает. Иди сюда. Сюда, сюда. Алярым на его. Хангаттан, что ли?
Can you do it?
Right away.
Давай, быстрее, быстрее.
You can do this? Go on, Hugo. That's it. Can you take care of it?
Very well.
Ага, мандым аты тоқтадым. Хи-хи. Хи-хи. Все, окей. Только у меня телефон. Ага. Let's get out of here.
You did it.
Fuck
Hugo did
off.
the hard part.
I just want us to get out of here.
Me too. Come on. Let's go.
Куда? Туда или сюда? Сюда. А. Угу. На апгрейд что-нибудь, что-нибудь. Нет. Разбежались. Блядь, ой. А, кто это? Чё за... Нах... Это что такое? Это что такое? А, от в моем взяла где. Все, быстрее, быстрее.
Get ready. We're going to have to stay in the light.
Cara. Ele ainda não tá ninguém.
Let's go. We're not holding it back. No, run. I'm not sure that it's working for now. All right, it worked.
Свежее мясо. И откуда теперь нам достать?
There, from the tower. Those are bodies, aren't they?
Yes, bodies.
Ща. Окей, погнали. Путь далекий. Быстро, быстро. Жестко, да, жестко. А чё, как мне тогда его сжечь-то? Может мне его не убить? Не вижу смысла не убивать.
Yes, bodies.
Все тоже ладно. Понял, вот это не сломал. Все, палку возьмем. Сжечь. В Якутске такие крысы водятся. Ла-ла-ла. Механ тапнавалар. Пиздец дикие крысы. Ашко там тахан каралар таш. Он на очень чай коридор бикин хирали вас. Так.
I'll help you up.
I can't. Amicia. I don't feel well.
What's the matter?
My head.
The macula. He's afraid. We have to get out of here. Hugo. Think of the frogs. Remember how they jumped? You were chasing them. Come on, let's go and see some more.
Yes. We have to get out of here, Amicia.
We will. This place can't go on forever, right?
Армия уже хатану. Бля.
There's an awful lot of them.
But we don't have a choice.
I know there's not enough of us, and I definitely know we'd all like to get far, far away from these fucking rats. But these are our boys. They gave their lives for England. What if it were you? You'd want a decent burial, wouldn't you? Wouldn't you? Come on then! Guyenne is ours! That was a noise, right? I reckon it was.
Бензин. Обманули дурака.
Amicia, I'm very tired.
Look, there are trees again. I think we're getting to the end.
Finally.
Where'd you come from? You alone?
Watch out.
Say something, arsehole.
That's my sister, you bastard. Now let us go.
You'll never see us again. I swear.
Not a chance. Where I come from, we execute looters on the spot.
What do we do?
Too risky. This way. Hey, what about them? You're just gonna let them go?
What? Hey!
Now! Soldiers, there's trouble over here. Let's get out of here.
We're following them.
There! They're running away!
Hugo!
Oh.
Run!
Года. Стрим говори. Абра. Аля. Получено достижение падаль. Пропавшие товары. Жестко, жестко. Итак, что раз? Ага, мы в плену.
Hey, wakey, wakey.
Эй, пора вставать, крашка. Еще
You're
я.
lucky, you know.
Кстати, тебе здорово.
Your everyday corpse robber usually gets a sword in the belly. No questions asked. But me, I've got an eye for that fancy jewelry. And you're lucky I like gold better than blood, Lady Deroon.
Where is my brother?
Shut up. The better you look, the higher the ransom. Might have bruised the goods a bit too much already.
The ransom? Who's paying it?
Oh, you'll see soon enough. You're not in your shadow anymore, so cork it, all right?
Mangy.
Отцовский чапалах. Жестко видно. Ассасин галет. Пассасин. Выглядит ассасин, это пассасин. И что ты предлагаешь?
Melly. The other one's Arthur. This is all your fault. Where is my brother? Hey, keep your voice down. Those dogs took my sling. You don't need it. The guard. Arthur will make him move. What? How? A distraction. He's waiting for us to tell him where and what, so keep your eyes open. These bottles. No, he'll just block us. The cart. That'll do the trick. Get ready. For what? To follow me. So he's your brother.
Noise, right?
Come on.
Он
Got an idea how many deaths were on our side?
Hard to say. Thousands for sure.
Нихуя
The
себе.
rats make counting difficult.
Нихуя себе.
Goes alone with those butchers. They won't hurt him. You don't understand. If he's afraid, you have to be patient.
No,
We have to clear the way.
decimated very well.
Хорошо.
Thousands of deaths have been reported from bites or contagion. It is a divine plague. And this is just the beginning.
There's no room for a war in this. King Edward must order a retreat.
Король так.
Braziers made of metal. No, we'd be blocked. Do you see that? That won't make enough noise. The barrel with the spears. Well done. Get ready to go. Good job. Let's go. Watch out for the bottles.
Nothing at all.
Be careful.
What pain having to wait between battles. Those two over there with their
Давай.
They're training on a dead body.
on a dragon.
Yes. That's war for you.
That's how you teach a Valois a lesson.
Is it true?
Stay
you killed
down.
2 French
All right.
knights yesterday?
Yeah, but it was easy. It was also easy without thinking, looking to make marks
go.
of themselves.
Heroes and their armor shining in the sun. Just have to find the weak point and BAM! Easy targets.
Где скрытные бы потайлах.
Be careful.
It was a hell of a fucking victory, I'm telling you.
Look, the
Guyenne
bot.
belongs to England again.
Well spotted.
Oh yeah. Take a look out there and you'll see that Guyenne belongs to the fucking rat.
Now, left.
Just be careful. We
Налево.
need you alive.
What sort of prisoner is worth such a high ransom?
Valois children. The son and daughter of the knight Robert de Roux.
Knight of a tree, more like. His fighting skills from the time of the war are legendary, but he's no longer in the service of King Philip.
It is rather odd to be so interested in the children.
Why don't you go ask the sister some questions? She must be awake.
Oh no, don't worry. It was bound to happen.
Так.
Let's
А
see.
где мой братишка?
This. Not bad at all. What are you doing? This is not the time. I'm making your rescue profitable. That's what I'm doing.
А
What
для
about
меня
this
ничего
chest?
нет.
I saw powder, probably for alchemy. Useless. I can use it. If you want me to open it, just say. Would you, please? There you go. Enjoy. Well done. Come on, I'm coming.
Не надо.
Silence. Ellie, not that way. There are loads of them.
We're running out of bread and wine.
Бутылка.
It's the same story each time we win a battle.
You're crazy.
Half of the
What?
reserves just
We got through, didn't we? Just.
Давай. Что-то мы тихо, очень тихо идем.
My brother. Looks like it. Quickly.
Coming to get you. Soon you'll be far away from here.
Amicia, where is she?
Your sister.
Bastards, the
Think
bastards.
we're gonna keep her with us, right,
Down.
guys?
No, please don't.
Hey,
Just be thankful
girl,
you're still
the
alive.
girl.
Not everyone makes it around. Huh? What do you mean, the girl? Come on, spit it out.
the girl's escaped. Her cage is open. Everyone's looking for her.
Shit! Spread out! Watch the doors and stay on your toes. A cage doesn't just open like that. Might be the Valois doing.
Now's the time. Hugo, I'm here.
Amicia!
Are you alright? Are you hurt?
No, get me out, please.
We have to get that cage down. It's alright, Hugo. Listen, my sling. Did they have it when they locked you up?
Yes, they put it in the trunk, there.
Right.
I want a team on the east rampart.
Melly, can you look after it? Finally. Now, Hugo, I need to get the cage down. Not bad. Not bad at all. Well, that looks a lot better.
Сумка для снарядов. Все было.
Fortunately, they are busy.
I want a team on the east rampart.
Melly, the lock.
Давай, давай. Быстрей.
Easy.
They said someone's going to take me.
Изи,
It's all right, Hugo. We're going to get out of here.
Amicia!
Oh,
They said they were going to take me away, and I wouldn't see you again.
well, now you know that's not true. I'm here,
We're staying together, right?
of course. And we're going to go with Melly. She's here to help us.
She's the thief.
And she's sorry she turned us in earlier. Aren't you, Melly? Yeah, I'm a bad girl. Happy now? Can we go? Take my hand, Hugo. Let's get going.
Yes.
There's a way out at the far end of the camp. If you really know how to use that sling, you'd better go first.
Что за хуй там висит? Куда?
Team on the east rampart.
Куда мы должны идти, блядь? Нам же она должна помогать.
Soldiers, report. Still nothing. Are you sure she didn't leave the camp? Spread out. Split up. Leave it. And search the tents. The tents. Search those tents.
What was that?
Team on the east rampart.
Nothing to report from my side.
I can't see anything. Move it! She couldn't just get out like that.
На изи возьму.
Hey, you! Stay where you are.
А?
Maybe she's still close to the cages.
Бля. Умнаемся нах. Рыбья память. Давай. О.
Definitely no one here. No point continuing.
I can't see anything. Move it! She couldn't just get out like that.
The tents. Search those tents.
Туда. Нас нет. Ты забудешь про нас. Хорош. Хорош.
Close to the cages.
I want a team on the east rampart.
gotta be them.
You there! Stop! I said stop!
Бля, годах правильный. Сайгална. А, у меня же это есть. Че, выходите, я дам вам конфеты, что ли?
Probably nothing. Nothing to worry about.
Бля, кеме туда их тавим было, ёбаный в рот.
What was that? Let's go take a look. Hey, you! Come here! What?
I'm sure that's completely. I've had enough of running.
Бля, bakayım neler önümde.
Come on.
Пошли.
Anyone see up there? Get over here, boys. Someone's hiding around here.
Do you want some more? I still have some.
О, бля. Бэш, мамалак пабудна любителей колет.
I pay a ransom for the Daron children, and I have to capture them myself. These Plantagenets are useless.
He killed my parents. He's going to slaughter us.
Melly, run!
That's ahead. Take them out, Amicia.
They're coming.
The
It's the
Inquisition.
girl and her brother.
What the hell did you do? Nothing. We didn't do anything. They.
Oh no! Сейчас завалим нахуй.
That's ahead. Take them out, Amicia.
They're coming.
The
It's the
Inquisition.
girl and her brother.
What the hell did you do? Nothing. We didn't do anything. They want Hugo. It's time to get out of here.
Forward!
This is our way
Failure will
out.
not
Hurry!
be tolerated.
Don't slow down, Hugo. Follow Melly.
Amicia,
Don't let them get you.
stop running!
Amicia!
Deliver Hugo to
They're
us!
coming.
They're coming up!
We don't have much time.
Get them
To
out!
him. Quick. Locked. Shit. Done. Let's go. Watch it to the left.
Ah, something's got.
Done. Let's go.
Хедшот.
The hatch there. That looks like our way out.
There's a chain. Melly.
Ярак гейминг, дарова.
Come on.
Быстрее, быстрее, быстрее.
They've opened the door. They're here.
I'll take care of them.
There's nowhere for you to go.
Малыш! Малыш! Малыш!
Amicia.
Малыш! Ареля!
We have to hurry. Let's go.
Быстрее, быстрее! Хлопцы дискомали. Ищите детей! Они сбежали, вы не поверите. Пропавшие товары. Это мы товары, да? Это мы пропали. Тропа идет вперед. Что за русский язык? Артем Каджи. Здорово. Что за игра? Плагует Телден. Была.
Do you know where we're going?
Ты
Right now,
знаешь, куда мы
we have
идем?
to hide.
Сейчас мне нужно просто...
Arthur and I know a place. And Lucas, he's waiting at your chateau. All in good time.
We're going to see Lucas again.
I hope so.
I like Lucas. He's nice.
Save your breath, Hugo. We're on the right track. Let's keep moving. We're not safe yet.
Потопали. Потопали.
Tell me,
Чё, пап,
what
не
the hell are
играешь?
you doing with the Inquisition up to you? What's so special about the little guy?
Кого-то
It's
тоска.
complicated.
Никто не
And what about
хочет.
your brother? Will he be alright? He'll catch up with us. He really saved our lives. It was incredible. Hey, don't get all lovey-dovey. He'll break your poor little heart. No.
Hey, I'm in.
Yeah, we're going to use it to cross.
What?
Который проактор был второй, ребят. Праки, начнутся праки.
That's one to the middle way.
Hey, slow down.
It's closed.
I'll do it.
Да? Прыгни, Дир.
Open.
Открыто.
Oh, a big wheel.
It's for crushing the wheat.
Что-то не нравится мне опять эта музыка.
The current's too strong.
Замедляю время, прыгай туда и...
Stopping.
Вот сюда, до туда, вода. Дир.
Amicia,
А,
we'll find a way. The current's slowing down, but not enough. There must be something else. Over to you, Melly. Hugo, can you take care of it?
All right.
It's working.
Yay!
All we have to do now is cross over. Melly, can you look after it? This is where we see if it'll hold up. Well, doesn't look like I'll be taking a bath today. Hold on.
Yes,
I'll let you do it, Hugo.
very well.
The drawbridge is lowered, Princess. Try not to fall in.
я отпускаю, да? А, нет, нет, я не отпускаю.
Can you do it, Melly? Yes.
Эй. Так, сейчас я подержу.
simple. If the
Simple,
Inquisition
dimple.
make it this far,
Умпа,
that'll
лумпа.
hold them up for a while.
Мне надо что-то крафтить, да? Материалчик есть, да? Материал не хватает. Понял. Нет, вот что-то есть. Ага. Не хватает.
We'll go
Пни
through here. Come on.
сюда.
You trying to impress me or what? No. All right, come on.
It's pretty here, and it smells like earth. Yankee Duck, is that where Lucas is?
I hope so. I doubt this castle is going to look like much. Why? This used to be a village, but it was reduced to rubble in just one night, years ago. Some say there's a curse around these parts.
Amicia?
She's joking, Hugo. Of course I am. Since when?
Amicia.
Hugo, what are you doing? Come here.
Oh.
Hugo? Hugo, look at me. Is it starting again? Your head.
It's like somebody's going inside. My legs are shaking.
Don't say he's been bitten. It's not the bite. It's something in his blood since he was little. I'll have to carry him. Climb on my back if you can. Come on.
Sorry.
Don't worry. If it's in his blood. What about you? I'm fine. Lucas is trying to slow the effects down. That's also why we're going to the chateau.
Amicia. I'm scared.
Of what, Hugo?
What's in my head?
Don't worry. We're all scared of what's in our heads. Here we are. You'll be able to rest. At last. Help me lift this. I'm coming. Hugo, can you climb down, please?
Мукадыр. Сюктарарил. Фонарик отдают. И где-то мы? Странно.
Is this your house?
It's a hideout, lad. It's meant for hiding out, not banquets with lords and ladies. Don't touch that. It's my brother's. That's worth a lot, that is. How long have you been living like this? Like ruffians and beggars, you mean? Family tradition. Our dad was a piece of rubbish. Tried to beat us one time too many, so we skedaddled. But you're almost royalty. Royalty?
Amicia,
What does mean?
I'm cold.
Can't you see? Look at us. We've lost everything. What do you mean? Who's going to pay us then? What are you talking about? Your mate's Lucas. He said you're rich. Just forget it, all right? Take Arthur's straw mattress, and when he finally gets here, we'll have a proper discussion.
Жесткий выдался день, да?
So, see anything?
No, nothing there.
Hey, men! This way! I need some help!
Where does that come?
Outside. Yes, but where? Just trust me. And your brother? He should have been here by now. Sorry. Don't give up on him just yet. Shit. Stay down. He has a helmet. Ah. Devorantis. What? Devorantis. Saltpeter and alcohol. It burns your face and melts steel. No one can keep their helmet on with that. Get some ready. All right. Go on. Aim for the helmet. Hit him on the head with a rock. Go on.
I'm gonna show you what we do to cowards like you. Told you I'd catch you.
Headshot.
Serves him right. So easy. Try to be a bit more enthusiastic, will you? Shit. Look. There's one with a helmet. You know what to do. Yes.
If I find her, any idea where the whetstones are?
In one of the boxes. But it's an unholy mess.
What was that noise?
Забудь. Ты забудешь про нас. Жестко гипностует.
Nothing. I need to calm down.
Бля, хули ты такой зрячий, бля? Ну талантливый мод. Еба. Сейчас.
Shit. Look. There's one with a helmet. You know what to do. Yes.
Пульку.
What the hell was that?
What the hell was that? А, хули ты туда?
You there? I'm gonna beat some.
Джир. Ля. Тупанул. Ой. Чуть-чуть не туда.
Shit. Look. There's one with a helmet. You know what to do. Yes.
I heard something. I'm not crazy. Nothing to report.
И как мы его пройдем?
Something here.
Джира. Так, сейчас придумаю. А, у меня же этот был. А, я его должен убить и потом этого убить. Понял?
Shit. Look. There's one with a helmet. You know what to do. Yes. Efficient. I like it. If there are two of them, there are bound to be more. We have to get out of here.
We have to get back to the aqueduct.
I know. Where's the Chateau d'Ombrage? This way. Follow me. No, I knew it. Keep calm. You see the little palace over there? That's our way out. Listen, Amicia, you have the sling, so you go first. Hugo, you keep a lookout and stay quiet.
All right.
Understood.
Kill the others. Now.
They're still looking for me.
Давай, отвернись-то.
is a bit chilly. What was that? Hey, there's movement over there. Look out! There's someone here!
Капитан Раслерет. Пиздец, бля. Затаил дыхание, нахуй. Ша, погодь, я ниндзя. Да, туда уже не успеем. Идем вот так. Ждем, ждем. Погнали, погнали. Ай, блядь. Ты не видел нас.
Forget it.
Well, it is a bit chilly.
Холкini явно.
Where did that come from? I've been attacked! This way, men!
Эй, бляха, так и нам заебал. Всех перебить, что ли? Годах сокол терчави. Этого упыря мы убьем. А ты откуда, сука? Иди отсюда.
That noise. I think it came from over there.
Что-то я.
Hey, there it is again. Wait a minute. That's right, you were there. I heard the kids made a right mess of the English. Am I going crazy?
Never seen an explosion like it? My ears are still ringing. We got the one what did it though. A young thief who was helping to do rules. He's being held at the Bastion for interrogation.
He should think himself lucky. If he didn't have information about the boy, he'd be little chunks of meat by now.
Oh shit. Shit. Melly, I'm... No. Later.
Nothing. Oh, the first time was already too much. Let's go.
Nearly there. The portcullis is down. There's always a side entrance.
There.
Let's get out of here. Come on. Go ahead. So kind of you, Your Highness.
Go on, get moving.
What are you going to do to me?
Careful.
It's Lucas.
The cart should be arriving soon with fresh supplies. They'll take you to the Inquisition bastion in town. Hey, who did that? You're gonna pay.
I'm so glad to see you again. Hey, you look well.
Yes, I was in a cage. Then there was a huge explosion. Boom! And then we went to Melly's house. She said lots of bad words.
I heard that. And what about you, Lucas? How are you? Can we talk while we run? Or we can sit down with some wine and some roast chicken and wait for them to come and kill us? What do you reckon?
You're right. Let's get going. The chateau shouldn't be far now.
Let's go. Come on. It's not far to the aqueduct.
Seems like we've been through some tough times.
You don't say.
Сын Марков,
You
если
forgot to tell us about
дарова.
the Inquisition.
You wouldn't have accepted the deal.
The one where your friends are rich.
We'll sort it out.
Tell my brother that.
Здоровья.
What's all this?
An accident?
An
Бля, мне
Inquisition
крыса
house?
там заебала.
There must be things we
oh.
can salvage from inside. I don't see how we can get past.
Oh, Amicia.
Oh no.
I have something for you. It's a byproduct of Ignifer. Luminosa. Well, you throw it into a pile of rats and... Anyway, you'll see. Here, take it. Saltpeter, alcohol and liver. Mix them together. Alright.
Нихуя, оба хакер бәтін бездер бит. В смысле в рюкзаке нету места? Монтажно. Это только надо. Создает могущественное общество, уничтожающий крыс поблизости и на какое-то время отгоняет остальных. Да. А так, что ли?
Makes sense. The Inquisition. They couldn't have got as far as the Macula without reading their chemical writings. I don't know what they're up to.
Ни на что не хватает.
The card will be useful.
Где торговля бытает у Линии?
We're nearly there.
Finally. We're going to find out at last.
Climb up. I'll help you.
Yes.
Оп.
Let's go up the aqueduct.
Hugo, it's aqueduct.
Oh, aqueduct. Aqueduct.
Nelly, where's your brother?
I don't want to talk about it.
All right.
А, камень бары.
Whoa.
Well spotted.
Ой,
Climb up.
All right.
забирайся. Окей.
There's nothing here. Lucas, don't tell me we've done all this for nothing.
No. Laurentius was smarter than that. It's an alchemist's trick. Gold is born from lead. The door shall only reveal itself to the one who has the key. Something like that.
I prefer use your eyes before using your mouth. Who's going first?
Тоже алхимическая тема, на такой догадаю, но тут просто
Come on then. We've come this far. That's my girl.
Тропа идет вперед.
Oh, wow.
Что за странное место?
Not bad.
Is that the sea?
Эй!
Hey, there's a pontoon. People used to use this place. We're on the right track. Well done.
A reaction ferry.
A what?
A boat that's propelled by a rope. You pull it by hand.
There's a hand crank.
О, тут $3. Я туда. Угу. Все, найс. Бежим.
Could you lend a hand? Yep. This place is incredible.
Yeah, it's not bad. Shame we don't have any wine and cheese.
It would have been lovely. It won't work by itself. Go across with Hugo. We'll come afterwards. Are you sure? Yeah. There's only enough room for two anyway.
Ай, блядь, тупизм. Ну чё?
Melly, I need your help. Lucas, come and help instead of sleeping.
Yes.
The water's green.
Well, that's because there are a lot of things living in it.
They must be very cold.
Once, Father took us to the lake at Tuve, and I slipped and fell in the water. It was so cold it made me cry.
I would have cried too.
Your boat
А чё,
awaits.
весла никак-то?
Yes, Hugo, get in. I hope they can swim. Hold on tight. There you go.
Whoa,
А хто робив ловою
I
кошмар?
can't see any fish.
Oh, that's because of the monster.
What? A monster?
Of course. The underground lakes are magical. Huge, ancient monsters hide in their depths. And watch out, they're very hungry.
No, they're not. And if there were monsters, we'd see some big bubbles.
You got me.
Mummy used to say that monsters are just those things to...
Just those things to which we have never given a name. She told me that too.
I would quite like to see a monster, actually.
Right, this is where we get off.
Oh, it was too quick.
I know, but it's someone else's turn now.
There are no monsters here, but there might be a whale.
A whale is big, you know.
Yes, but a little one.
Why not? A shy whale that doesn't want to show itself.
It's shy because it's small. But I'm sure it's pretty.
Over to you! We're coming!
It's all right. You can let go.
Ну как мне отпустить, если она держится?
I'm sorry I lied to you. I thought that Amиция and Hugo might die. I was scared.
Forget it. It's all behind us now. But anything that takes my fancy at the castle is mine, alright?
Fair enough.
What were you saying?
Things for grown-up ears. Alright,
Let's keep going. Ah, closed. Not for long. Make some room. It's open. Oh, there you go. Of course. I hadn't missed them a bit. What is this place anyway?
It's... No, it can't be. I can see this from that pit.
What, Lucas?
What's it's like a castle?
Like a rat trap. Protecting something.
And? How does it work?
Easy. The radius pulls the rats towards the pit and they get trapped there.
Could be useful.
Who built it?
I don't know, but it looks ancient.
Come on, Lucas. Let's take a look.
Right, Melly. While the boys are daydreaming, we should get going. Go on! Into the pit! We have to get to the other side. Alright, come on.
Мне нужен лут. А это?
I'll take care of the door.
Some knights, perhaps?
I don't think knights know how to use stone and mortar.
Come on! Cross over, you two.
There are a lot of those.
Lucas? It was built a long time ago. But the rats haven't been here for that long.
You're right. That gives me goosebumps.
Can't fault their system. Very efficient.
Пошли.
I'll go first. Another door. Maybe it's the right one. I just hope there are no rats behind it. Melly, need a little help here. On my way. Come on! I'm starting to get fed up of all these doors.
Look! We found it! The castle!
Whoa.
Джиджига, замок вот.
Chateau d'Ambrage.
Госпиталь друида.
I had a moment of doubt, but that's the sort of alchemist legend I like. Come on, let's take a closer look.
Melly, can you look after it? All right. It's all good. Is that supposed to be the miracle remedy they talk about?
It doesn't smell very good.
A good remedy is a remedy that stinks. You're not wrong.
Чё? Спать, что ли? Бежим, бежим.
Run! This is crazy! Never again!
A building. Unbelievable. Used to
very high up.
Don't worry, Hugo. This is it. Come on. Too far to get there in one go. That should help.
Пошли, чекпоинт, чекпоинт.
Not yet, not yet, not yet.
Ой, она сейчас догорит, блядь. Пошли, пошли. Блядь, чуть не проморгали все.
I'll give you a hand.
Yes.
Давай, быстрее, быстрее, быстрее.
Did we make it? Really? We did.
Фу.
We're here. Look at it. Chateau d'Ambrage.
Whoa. It's even bigger from here.
Let's get in. Come on.
Whoa.
Incredible.
The tower over there. It's the living quarters. It must be several centuries old.
It looks like it's dry, but there's a pit in the way.
It's full of rats. It's another trap.
There has to be another way to get through.
Угу, и... А, блядь. Тут дверь, а тут нет.
Locked.
Открой. Кью.
Can you take care of it? Yes. This thing's really old. Oh,
Там было
there was
что-то
something
живое.
alive in it.
Фу,
It's
бля.
open.
Там что-то воняет от меня.
They all decided to meet here, it seems.
So we can get the rats to move.
Lucas, Hugo, stay out of the rain. We'll open up a path to the tower.
All right. Come, Hugo.
Ready, Melly? As long as we get them out of the way. Come on. The siege of Chateau d'Ambrage. 2 girls versus thousands of rats. This battle will go down in history.
History. Давайте, давайте. Шредер, здорово.
We should be able to
Здорово,
reach the
братан.
central section now. Yes,
Только не
that's
только
a good
вся.
first step. I'll let you go first.
Чё делай?
Rats are your thing. Thanks a lot.
Зажечь. Так, где рядом? Уже да? Фью. Угу. Киш, киш, киш, киш.
Go on. I'm with you. Great. I feel better already.
Угу. Я почти на месте.
I'm going to need Melly to push that.
Это что за рычаг? Что за руль? Угу. Чер. Бля, вы когда спекаем барал, что ли? Бля, бери палку, того тураны. Уем бери канадыш. Когда мы силу где-то тормоз. Братишка, ты где?
I'll be quick. Oh, it's all right. You can come. After you.
Кели, бля, ну как обойти? Оши. Оши. Mana soğuktakını bırakıptı. Нет. Ну, просто карайпин ya. PUBG oynayacağım bütün rejim. Tamam PUBG. Rejim. Ben tuğra kımmadım bu halakati. Bля, тупик номером было. Бля, вон соғық тағайыппын бұғылақ. Понял. Ага, газген. Все, пошли. Пока бы güzel. Come on. Благодарю. Я задумал, где их я потерял. Выкыстуй бахтала, что ли? $5. Bakın. Bitti. Вот бана тут вот так. Orada. Ama bu kıyafette değil mi tıkırı? Ben de kaldım antun. Benim tüherim olurdu. Katamut. Так. Тут залез. Короче, надо мантана kaldım. Отсюда, да, перетащил. Тащу обратно. Heh. Kadın kere duranları böyle. Bilmem onu. Bir iki yönet yıktığı. İki olanlar yıktığı. Значит... Şey var acayip mi? Unut var repet. Во. Можно готовить. Ага. Паркур не работает. Так, что я должен сделать? Ага. Манны календер уктагайбын. Я пошмат.
Hey, look at that.
Oh. Ля.
Well, I guess that's what the pit's for. The brazier's coming back by itself.
Бля.
Melly, can you get to me? I'm coming. Can't wait to get up there. Look at them, swarming like nobles at the king's court. But it's our castle.
Вот что у них. Так. Уже все, что ли? Тут я.
Right, those ones have to be driven into the pit too. And of course they're on the wrong side of the brazier. I'm gonna have to go down and see what's there. All right, I'll cover you with the brazier. I'm putting my life in your hands, you know. All in a day's work, milady. Whenever you're ready. Can you do it? All right. Wow! It could do with a bit of grease. Would you rather be down here? I'm fine. I'm just warming up. more braziers. I can get up on the ramparts. Go on then. We're going to make it. Hugo will be safe. We'll all be safe.
Ага. Я уже близок. Ой, еще 2 капли надо.
Melly, they're clearing the outer area. They're coming your way. All right. There are so many of them. We'll never clear a path that way. Right. We need to clear the whole courtyard. Let's get on with it then. I'm already soaked anyway.
А, куда?
There you go. Into the pits with you. Yes. Perfect. Well, that's done. The last sector now. I have to get back to the ladder.
Все, жизнь без крыс удалась. Просто секретная.
There are still rats down there. I'm going to need the brazier.
А, откуда тут?
All right, here we go again. Have you done it? Yes. Are you all right, Hugo?
I'm fine, but I hear you shouting.
Don't worry, the storm will drown out our voices. Soon we'll all get to see the tower. Good luck. That's a bit better. Whenever you want.
Общем, спецназовские
The bridge.
что полота.
Better lower it.
Движение. Давай откроем эту ворота. Сюда иди.
And so, Amиcia the Amazon. And
И...
the
Yes.
Chateau d'Ombrage. You've read too many books. Come on. We still have to clean up the area down there. We're going to need the brazier from the ramparts. I'll cover you with this one. All right. I'm going down. What is it? Nothing. It's just a crappy old lever. Melly, you always know the right thing to say. It's going to be all right. It's your castle. You have a connection. Our castle. Imagine, we could all live here together. I'm more of a cellar girl, you know. How am I going to get up there? Need a ladder. But the damn rats are everywhere. I don't know. The Amazon. Tell them a story. Very funny.
А, нет! Пиздец!
ramparts. I'll cover you with this one. All right, I'm going down.
Тут головат, значится, она... Все, давай, окей.
What is it? Nothing, it's just a crappy old lever. Melly, you always know the right thing to say. It's going to be all right. It's your castle. You have a connection. Our castle? Imagine, we could all live here together. I'm more of a Stella girl, you know. How am I going to get up there?
You'll need a ladder.
But the damn rats are everywhere.
I don't know, Amиция the Amazon. Tell them a story.
Oh, very funny.
Угу, факел барик, вот оказывается. Факел. Так. Тут ничего нет. Угу.
Closed.
Закрыто. Окей. А тут что? А тут ничего. Сейчас мы загнем всех из яму.
That's brought chaos over here. I'm going to need you. I'm coming.
All right, here we go again.
This is how you conquer a castle.
This is how you get sick.
No, not in my version of the story.
Come on, we're almost fucking there.
And with these noble words, they readied themselves to recover what was rightfully theirs. A home.
Stop it.
Come on, I'm sure there's a cellar for you here somewhere.
Amиция, it's not that simple. You don't know me.
All right, I understand.
Все, давай, походу финальная.
No! Loose the dragons! Come on, back off, you bastards!
Валите отсюда, ублюдки. Где-то.
What? Melly the Fury?
I told you you didn't know me.
We did it! We pushed them back!
The castle saved our lives.
Yes, Laurentius was right.
To celebrate our victory, would you mind if we get out of the rain, please?
Right, to the tower!
Ведь это туалбар крысы на борт не хайдут, что ли?
Come over to the fire and warm up.
It's huge.
We'll have time to explore tomorrow. This is our home now.
Теперь это наш дом. Угу, и чем будем питаться? Тропа идет вперед. Глава 7, да? 8. Нет? Ага. Наш дом.
dream.
Are you awake already?
Ты уже
I
проснулся?
found lots and lots and lots
Да,
of
я
things.
нашел тут кое-что.
Come and see. We
Идем,
really
покажу
like
тебе,
them.
понравится. Не, я хочу. Не, я не хочу.
Noise?
It's
Оставь
Lucas.
меня.
Follow me. You'll see.
Right. This will wake me up. Hopefully.
Down here.
The sun dominates the moon instead of complementing it.
Lucas.
Oh, there you are.
Sleep well?
Not a wink. This laboratory's in bad shape, but it inspired me. I'm on the brink of completing the great work, and you can help me.
Oh, yes, yes.
Ты можешь мне помочь?
What do we have to
Окей.
do?
Да, ну что
Amicia,
мне надо
I
делать?
need the file from the left-hand table.
All right.
And me. What can I do?
We need light for the last step. Hugo, go get a candle.
I can do that. Here.
Alchemists lived here. Maybe Laurentius too. Oh, that must be it.
О, кожа. Селитра.
Here, anything else?
Yes, a concentrated laurel sap. It's just behind me.
I'll get it.
What's a great work? Can I eat it?
It is the elixir that will illuminate your path. A beacon for the bearer of the macula. It came to me during the night.
That's it. Here.
Good. So, the angel's tear, the pinnacle of alchemy.
The elixir. You...
Wow, a great work.
It wasn't supposed to do that.
It doesn't matter, Lucas. Perhaps we should let you rest, right, Hugo?
Well done, Lucas. You're a sorcerer. Amicia, come on.
Колдун.
I'm coming. By the way, have you seen Melly?
No?
Maybe she's already gone.
Oh no, I wanted to say goodbye to her.
Доктора? О, инструмент булынат.
This should make things a little easier. Wow, this castle must an alchemist's crucible. Lucas will be happy. Wow.
Come on, Amicia, let's both do it.
Having fun, are you? I'm sure the Inquisition are too.
Melly, we thought you'd gone.
Come on. We need to talk.
What's the matter?
This castle is a ruin.
Ah,
And that's exactly what you need. Whoever built this place really didn't want to be fucked with. Be good and you'll be fine.
so you're going to find Arthur? If I can help...
He's my problem. You heard what I heard. Those Inquisition dogs took him to the Bastion. I know where to look. I'll find him.
Amicia, look!
Listen, with Hugo, it doesn't look easy, but believe me, it's worth it. He will save you. They always end up saving us. Even if, you know, brothers. Sometimes you just want to kill them.
The symbol is Amicia.
I believe you. Anyway, don't leave without saying goodbye.
As if that was my style.
Amicia, please come.
Yes, Hugo. What did you find?
Down there. It's the drawing.
What drawing?
The one in the dining room. I'll show you. Come on.
I'm following you.
Yuen.
Look, it's the same symbols.
You're right. Alchemist's coat of arms, maybe?
Have you seen the tree?
The tree?
Come on, over here.
Оно умнее, да? Чем кажется.
Come back. Where are you going?
You found new friends.
Yes. Amicia? I'm sorry. I'm sick.
No, no, no. Listen, we are going to find a way to cure you. And there's Lucas and Melly now, you know?
Lucas, come see the butterflies.
Looks like someone's having a good time.
It's getting bigger.
Yes. The macula is spreading through his blood. The books say there are several thresholds in the process, and at each threshold, the carrier may be lost.
How much time do we have?
Very little. Hugo is nearing the first threshold. My master and your mother were trying to slow the process down.
But how? What were they doing?
They were working on a very complex elixir that would allow him time to prepare.
And do you know how to do it?
I don't have their knowledge, but their work was inspired by a forbidden book, the Sanguinis Itinera.
So perhaps with the book?
I'm afraid not. The Sanguinis Itinera is dangerous. It is sealed together with other works in the university basement. Just getting there would be near impossible. Suicidal even.
Normally, yes. But if we take advantage of the current chaos, we might have a chance.
I know the place. It's in town, not far from where they keep my brother. If you're ready to take that risk, I can help you get in.
Thank you.
Right. I'll get my belongings together. Meet me inside when you want to leave.
In that case, you'll need some equipment. I'll get it ready.
Hugo, I'm really sorry. I need to leave.
Don't worry, I'll stay with Lucas.
Good. I'll be back soon.
Без мальчика поеду, да?
We'll have... At last. All right, come on.
Here. And one last thing. Laurentius told me once that there are roses scattered along the path to the book, so keep your eyes open.
Roses. All right, we will.
Получено достижение «Наш дом». 9 глава. В тени крепостных стен. Что это могло значить? Там что-то есть? Или кто-то есть? Первое правило выживания. Бей прямо
Wouldn't the head
между
be
ног.
quicker? You're way too soft. Shh. There are the town ramparts.
What's that crowd on the bridge?
It's the townsfolk. They're being evacuated.
Let me guess. The bite's here.
Exactly. And where there's the bite, you'll also find
the Inquisition.
Aren't you the smart one? No.
Did you know him?
A thief. I used to work with him. He was gifted.
So that's the punishment for stealing. Death.
I don't want to find Arthur with that kind of collar.
Come on.
Она меня не научит, да, как открывать двери.
I'll open this. Then I'll go take care of Arthur.
All right. So, where will I find the university?
It's the big building at the other end. You can't miss it.
Do you think we'll see each other again?
I hope so. You owe me. Shit. That means you're not allowed to die.
I'll do my best.
There you go. Go on. Get going.
А от души душевно есть же, да? Спасибо.
Good luck.
You too.
Тебе тоже.
They know they'll die if they stay here, but you think they'll leave of their own accord? Come on, get a move on. We have to get the last ones out.
Don't worry, we're almost done. The city's ours. We're going to be able to speed up operations.
Бля, я не знаю, куда идти.
Those bastards. What are they doing? Wow. Over there. That must be the university. All that light. I don't like this.
Так. Происходит что-то в жанре ассасин.
It's a way off. But you can do this. Here we go.
Hey, you in there! This is your last warning before we drag you out on your arse!
Я призрак, ты меня сейчас забудешь. Эй. Что-то.
Careful.
Блядь, крыса ламирована.
Martial law is enforced, and the city under the control of the Inquisition. Any people who choose to remain will be arrested and executed.
Martial law. Unbelievable. Why now?
Something move over there.
Забудь про меня, забудь.
Well, it was nothing.
You go and see if you can nick stuff with all these rats around your feet. Someone's attacking us. Look out!
Keep searching. Keep your eyes open.
Found it! This way!
It was you. You're not getting away this time.
Пиздец. Блядь, тут. Так, короче, мы голове.
You go and see if you can nick stuff with all these rats around your feet.
You want to keep it out of it? You know what Lord Nicholas does to Lucas.
The Scarlet Monk is tucked up warm in the bastion, and everyone else is doing the same as me. I'm gonna have a look at the other.
You do that. Leave me out of your plundering. What was that noise? Nothing. This way, man.
Ooh.
But what about that things? You saw what they do to people? We have to leave if the Inquisition takes us.
It is everywhere like this.
Так. Bizde sarı bir yaman kırsala babılın. Dici gibi olur ha. Checkpoint. А, бля. А, проебалась мы. Теперь пару тут.
Where I am. But at least I'm still alive.
Stay put and keep quiet.
What's going on?
No! He's my husband!
He was your husband. It's all over for him now, so get lost.
Not by myself.
Oh,
I can't leave
God.
without him.
Shut up. You heard about the law. Wanna die before he does.
He's right, Anna. Get out of here.
Listen to him. Fuck off now.
I need to keep those rats busy.
Tired of your bullshit. I didn't sign up for this.
Sorry.
Where's the hanged man?
О, все, атакали, бля. А, блядь. Пиздец, на хатинкали, ел пошмаки-то.
Where's the hanged man?
Oh no.
Фу, блядь. Успел.
Stop.
О, бля, огонь готовят здесь. Джиджига хартын.
They've all been executed.
Ебать.
Shouldn't even be there.
Why did he do that? He was a good boy.
Your son is here because he disobeyed orders.
He was scared and ran off. We were about to leave.
Locked.
Enough. We are no better than them rats. Go pray for your son. And while you're at it, pray the Inquisition gets you out of here too.
Too many rats under there. I can't get through without distracting them.
Палка.
Right. Stay calm. Think of Hugo. This is all for him.
Вот это, бля. Сейчас, пой.
What's that under my... Oh, it's sticky.
I must stay true to my faith. Remember the scriptures. And look. Just wait till I find you.
Куда я? Куда? Мне же туда.
I made it. Oh, but I'll never forget this smell. The university. See? Keep going. The cemetery. It's on the way.
Я почти у
I
цели.
really don't want to go through there. The Inquisition must have put it here. Looks like it pivots. Clever. The Grand Inquisitor doesn't do things by halves.
Фью. Я в убежище. Угу.
Come on, mate. Give me a few coins at least.
No!
Must have something. Something worthwhile. Everyone's got a bit of treasure.
Come on, Amicia. Do something. Come on.
That hey!
God will teach you.
Ваши жесткие гиляды вырубают. Бабыш. Mana твою мать?
A window. Perfect.
Ты никак не заметил этого. Ага. Турники воровали. В окно, что ли, мне идти?
Let's get out of here.
Ага.
Magister, the episanguis.
Let's see. Perfect.
If I may be so bold, we know it comes from those rats, but what's it for?
We call this odorous.
Whoa.
Oh. That is just one of the effects of the episanguis, when we mix it with sulfur. But that's not what we are interested in.
So why don't we let our units use it, eh? It could...
It is too precious. Each episanguis crystal must be kept for our project. Particularly as, in this form, it has been the source of some, how should I say, regrettable accidents. Deliver it to the Bastion. That is enough for today.
Regrettable accidents?
Imagine you spill some on your feet. You'd have to do your patrol on your ass.
О, мне надо их перебить.
Episanguis? What's that? I need to see this. They're gone. Come on, it's just a cemetery. What are you so excited about? Wow, wow. So this is episanguis, right? Episanguis, sulfur. We have to crush them up together.
Ну чё, как мне быть?
Now, we just have to try it out. Lucas, this one's for you. It's working. This will save my life. I need to find more.
Улучшать снаряжение, да. О, есть. Понял. Мне нужно больше серы, да чё?
More bodies.
Много тел.
Over there, it looks like the exit. Come on, it's not that far. The ground has collapsed. I need to find something to hoist myself up. Get it down there. I could climb on it.
Ханна, кстати. Мы не нет. Что за?
Get it down there. I could climb on it.
Non tengo le ma non parlo.
Get it down there. I could climb on it. Won't keep them in there for long. I need to block them once and for all. Alright, please stick.
Туся! Понял. Она готов на готовить. Дараба праки эфиру оңорui болуй. Çok baydı komentarda bir. Бар болук тара. Ахта. Пракар бар болук тара. Хмага бар доктор готовман. Олдон гуйман. Sure.
Get it down there. I could climb on it. Odorous won't keep them in there for long. I need to block them once and for all.
Бля. Toen dacht ik niet.
I can get it down there. I could climb on it.
Ну, когда направлять где надо в глазах. Например, ну так. Он наоборот. Вот сюда.
Odorous won't keep them in there for long. I need to block them once and for all.
О! Бля, туқпының осы тоқтап мұнымна тұр бұны, бля. Туқпылық атыры заеба.
I can't. If I can get it down there, I could climb on it.
Ёпта, что ли. Просто манытка аяқтадың. Көрін, верни. На. Барын
Now,
бля.
the lantern, quickly.
Всё нах. Жизнь без крыс. Mana такой не надо, жестко такой духу надо.
All right. Please tell me this can still roll.
Mana qanday jiqtaqni?
Oh no! That was very discreet. Right, now just a bit more. You see? You're doing it. You're getting there.
Бәлем күтіп көрсетерім бұты кыз. Кто случайно нарвох? Тогда погнали.
My God, what happened here? I'm getting closer. Your book better really exist, Lucas. Oh Lord, the sick. They've slaughtered them.
The rats! They've unleashed the rats! Help me!
I can't. I'm sorry. I can't believe it. They used the rats against the sick.
Dirty little beasts. What have you got to say that's so important, screeching the whole time like that?
Odorous. I could try.
They'll give you a reason to yell once you're in the bastion. You'll see. They'll cut you up real good.
Bana kanapına vardı.
I'm not crazy. I heard something.
Nothing.
It worked.
Because it's too late for you. Call it mercy. But don't worry. I'll leave. Huh?
Hey, stop chucking him in the water. They'll all end up on the other side.
Well,
We can't patrol there anymore because it fucking stinks.
well, you're lucky you can still smell something. That sound came from over there, didn't it?
I could lure the rats away from the bridge.
Nothing at all.
The guard. I must make him move away from the light.
Bana kanal что ли?
What now? That's it now.
Why are they still here? The episanguis cages. This is not just an evacuation.
Ill hanging around here. Passing it on from one sick bloke to the next, right up to the Grand Inquisitor. There'll be no one left.
Shut the fuck up! Stop crying! I don't want to hear another peep out of you. Nothing!
I heard something. I'm not crazy. Nothing. I need to calm down. Twice in such a short time. Let go of you. I'm burning up inside. Tell me what to do.
I don't know. Oh no, don't drink that. Oh, this is a nightmare. Come on, be brave. The university must be close.
Когда он... Угу. О.
Vitalis, the butcher who killed my father works for you. His blood is on your hands too.
suspect that was a sling. I'll have a look.
Check the blind spots, like we did in training.
I found someone. Get back here.
О, черт! Ау! Попробую пойти сюда. Идем другим путем. Ничего, ничего. Ты забудешь то, что увидел. Угу. Что ты такой, блядь, глазастый, блядь. Надеюсь, он не ко мне идет. Что-то крысы в клетке. Ой.
Trying to get me angry. I did hear something over there.
Yes, finally.
Nothing. If you'd be so kind as to follow me.
What on earth are they doing here?
I really thought I was going to thump one of those alchemists.
Simmer down. They're a bit hoity-toity, but at least they know how to read.
That doesn't give them the right to act like assholes. Anyway,
What?
one of them said Vitalis isn't doing so well.
We knew it was coming. We'll have to pray for him.
Yeah. Come on.
I was told the Grand Inquisitor looked ill, but now...
And too many heretics have turned their back on him. That's a saint, brother. A saint.
Ага. О! Получено достижение. Тени крепостных стен. Путь, усеянный розами. О! Нормальдос.
The university. Right, the book. Remember Lucas said in the basement, the path is strewn with roses. Roses. Wherever will I find roses here?
Так, нам надо найти подвал, в который путь усеянный розами.
It's locked.
Что и следовало ожидать. Угу. Ничего не открылось.
Oh, it's enormous. But where have the books gone?
Так, и как ты найдешь тут свою книгу? Угу.
There, the banners. Flowers. Yes, there are roses. I'm on the right track.
Угу. Походу мы близко.
How many days have we been here?
I've lost count.
Can't even tell the difference between day and night anymore. Shut up in here.
Правило правой руки.
Vitalis has brought back a young lad to open the last door.
Тупик.
Days we've been here, and the Grand Inquisitor himself is coming to help us. Gonna be quite an event.
No rats. Strange.
Уш. И сорян, пришлось. Я не специально. Да. Ага. Куда его? Угу. Чисто рассуждал по логике. Там, где факел, там и должна была стоять этот бандура.
So, Alchemist, got enough books, or do you want me to get you some more? One can never have enough books, if one can read. Ha! It's all just pagan stuff. The Sanguinus Itinera is a sacred book. The knowledge it contains goes back to the dawn of man, and this knowledge could save us all. So keep searching, and concentrate on looking for books with a red. With a red cover.
The Sanguinus Itinera.
I might not
They're
be able
looking
to
for it
read,
too.
but that doesn't mean I'm
I'd better be quick.
What was that? Something moved. I need a closer look. There's nothing there. No point continuing. At least those fucking rats won't
There are
come
the
out of their
roses.
hole.
I'm on the right track.
I'm telling you,
There they are.
next time he talks to me like that, I'll stuff one of his bloody books in his gob.
With a red cover. It's
Go on.
nameless.
Get out of there. Go.
The book.
Another brilliant idea from the alchemists. There's something shady about those guys.
Too true. There's parts of the bastion I daren't go anymore. The things they're doing there.
Yeah, let's not talk about it.
Search the area. Somebody's attacking us.
Where
Coming from
are
up
you?
there. How do you expect me to get there?
What happened to you? You're so smart.
Bölüm 2. şartları. Karı.
Days, you're far from home too, aren't you? Bring me luck. We're doing this for Hugo. This stuff, will it end up covering everything?
Move it, blacksmith. There's work waiting for you.
We're really scraping the barrel if Vitaly stoops to catching a beggar like this.
A prisoner?
How on earth did the rats do that? Imagine the force you need to get through that thickness.
I can imagine what it will do to your arm.
The hole's no use anymore. They've blocked it up, can't you see? They know exactly what they're doing, little bastards.
И... Чё?
Did you hear something? Let's go see.
Be careful.
Nothing here. Everyone calm down.
Noted.
Wait. Gonna go back and check. Good enough. What do you think you're doing now then? Because I've told you I'd catch you.
Давай, давай.
I haven't seen any roses for a while. Hope I haven't taken a wrong turn.
Это подвал, что ли? Кармани.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Что за инструмент у меня будет? О. Ну, да чего они делают? Типа переливают кровь больного.
Still no news of our young Hugo de Rune.
Lord Nicholas continues his search.
In which case, the only thing that can help us find the book is the son of a smith. You built that door with your father. Now, you'll open it for us.
We were asked to build that door precisely to keep out scum like you.
I am the Grand Inquisitor Vitalis Benevent. You have no idea how I have suffered. Look what I endure for you.
Что за...
What is your name, boy?
Roderick.
Родерик.
I do not wish for Roderick to expire before he has opened this door. Do not commit the same mistake you made with his father. Take it.
Выш. Иди кинь бы их надо было, да, он,
Quickly, I mustn't lose them.
Even when the Grand Inquisitor talks about saving thy neighbor, you just can't bring them out.
Roderick, looks like we both have problems.
How long can the episanguis contain the bite?
As long as his fate allows.
Huh? There's something there, I'm sure of it. Let's go and check. Time to move on.
What?
Something's over there. Hey!
So he's the one who...
Yes, and he'll open it. Vitalis can complete the conjuration. Saved from the...
А, чё? Ну чё, ребята, время уже позднее. Час утра. Завтра на работу, так что сейчас округляемся. Завтра начнем. Начнем в то же время, что я сегодня начал. Где-то 10, да. Угу. Уже 3 часа стримим. Всем тем, кто поставил лайк, огромное спасибо. Улахан Махтал, что вы со мной. До завтра, ребята. Сыңарлы. Время ратта. Мандамин уже ксаталар. Так что пока-пока. Трихней баню. Засыны медашалых быт.